Are you looking for the best AliExpress mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best AliExpress mechanical keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GK410 Keyboards. The design of the GK410 keyboard just screams made for gaming. Backlight supported translucent keys on a black metal panel look amazing in the dark and provide an outstanding typing experience. The general layout consists of 104 keys. Among them, the F1 F10 keys are multifunctional and provide additional control options for multimedia settings. As for the backlight, it can be customized by using relevant key combinations. Keycaps are resistant to fading and scratches, meaning you won't need to buy keyboard stickers. The keyboard is designed ergonomically to reduce the load on your hands and wrists. Keys are placed at high and low levels to create a golden angle. Regarding the reviews, some customers complain that the keyboard can slide on a table, so it is recommended to buy an anti-slip mat. Number 2. HXSJ V200 RGB. The HXSJ V200 RGB gaming keyboard is a compact, portable keyboard with RGB backlighting and a removable USB-C cable. It has 68 keys in a 60% layout and uses membrane switches, providing a quieter typing experience compared to mechanical keyboards. The RGB backlighting offers multiple color options and effects that can be customized. Despite being membrane, the keys have a satisfying feel and sound that mimics mechanical keyboards, but it lacks anti-hosting technology. The keyboard is compatible with iOS and Windows laptops and computers. The small form factor saves desk space while still providing arrow keys and common shortcuts. There are some reports of keycaps having minor finish issues. Overall, it offers solid performance for a budget-friendly price, making it a good option for basic gaming and typing needs if you prefer a quieter keyboard. Number 3. E-YOOSO Z686. For those who are looking for a slim and compact mechanical keyboard suitable for office use, the Z686 by E-YOOSO offers everything that one might need to type comfortably. It is not as cheap as other keyboards with more keys, but at a base price of $60-70. You'll get a 60% compact layout available in English, Russian, and Portuguese languages. The device is extremely durable, featuring metal panels and legs for a better angle and stability on a table. The keys are hot swappable, meaning that you can customize the keyboard with your switches. And among 600 plus reviews, there are just a couple of complaints about non-configured keys. Number 4. MACHENIKE K500. A mechanical keyboard by MACHENIKE has over 5,000 orders and 1,000 plus reviews on AliExpress, making it one of the top-rated products on the market. With a price of $70-80, it offers a 90% layout, 94 keys, for maximum access to all essential multimedia and gaming functions. To be more precise, there are 18 multifunctional keys for volume and video player settings. A hot swappable anti-ghosting design allows for easy key replacement. You can use most of the 3-pin mechanical switches available on the market. As for the default keys, they feature a PBT shot injection keycap and anti-fade design, ensuring that the marks won't get erased over time. And like any good gaming keypad, the K500 has an impressive RGB backlight with 16.8 million LED colors, meaning that its customization is nearly limitless. As for the minor drawbacks, some customers reported that they received a keyboard with faulty red light keys, meaning that only blue and green lights were working. Number 5. REDRAGON FIZZ K617. If you have been looking for the best mechanical keypad AliExpress has to offer, then look no further. REDRAGON FIZZ is an undisputed bestseller with more than 10,000 orders and 2,000 plus positive reviews. For less than $80, you'll get a compact gaming keyboard with full rollover of 61 keys and an adjustable RGB backlight. It's highly portable as well since the device features a detachable cable for easier transportation or desk setup, and you'll enjoy the soft and quiet mechanical switches, which can be fully replaced with other switches manufactured by REDRAGON. In addition, The keyboard is highly customizable, offering more than 20 backlight setups for your gaming sessions. Among many positive reviews, there are some complaints about wrong keys and a lack of certain functions, such as question and slash marks.